Welcome to Highfinder Expo Highlights. Today I'm with Jürgen from Prignitz Mikrosystemtechnik. Jürgen, thanks for coming. And I feel like a jeweler because I see you have your jewel box here. What innovations are you presenting today?
First of all, I want to introduce myself. I'm Jürgen Seiler. I'm from Prignitz Mikrosystemtechnik, and I'm working since 3 years as marketing and sales director in the company. So the company is located between Hamburg and Berlin in the middle, and we are roughly 100 people and manufacture and design pressure sensor. The innovation is we have also pressure sensor for hydrogen market. We developed especially for this market a pressure sensor cell which is specialized for hydrogen. We have certified with EC79 since 2 years, and also we get an innovation prize for 1.5 years from the country of Land Brandenburg.
Okay.
So what is now the innovation?
Yeah.
We have here a monolith, and we put on the monolith is the material 316L. We put in our pressure chips on the top, and
just one more. So you say a monolith. That monolith means like one single block of iron.
This is one single metal block.
One single metal block, which is milled, manufactured like this. Okay.
Yeah, and it is no welding, no sealing inside.
Yeah.
So it's no material fatigue due to embrittlement.
Yes.
So the mediums comes in and
all the way to the top.
And on the other side, on the top, we put the chips.
Okay.
The pressure chips.
So this is essentially how it happens. And here you can see are these your chips?
These are the pressure chips.
Yeah.
And this is one location in a cleaning room we manufactured, and in the other location we calibration test our sensors to the end.
Okay. So what we're seeing here is essentially you put your
pressure chips
on the there, then you put this
in a glass process. This is why it's another
this
color. Yes.
Then it goes to this. You mount this.
Mount this, and then we bond the pressure chips to the electronic, and then we also calibrate it to different electronics.
Tell me a little bit about electronics here. So we have you have a chip here. What is this? Does this then give a CAN signal, or what signal do we?
It's an analog, different analog output signals. Where in our portfolio a lot of different output signals with a lot of different connectors. We also have a lot of different threads.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then this gets all and then mounted into something that looks like this, which on the one side has the opening for the medium, hydrogen in this case, Then it has all the different
electronics,
and then this is the plastic part where then the electronic connector is. Oh,
we are important is that we have a pressure range from 4 bar to 1,000 bar for this different applications in hydrogen.
4 bar to 1,000 bar.
1,000 bar. This is important. We also have -1 to 1 bar in our product range. From the accuracy from the sensor, we are 0.5%, and this is a very, very robust technology. And we also can use this technology in a medium of hydraulic oil or pressure or air. So, but hydrogen, we are certified.
Okay, so your specialty here is the production of these sensor cells.
Yeah. So
and that is you've put it to the point where it's certified and tested, leak-proof, safe for hydrogen.
We make everything by our own. Everything is manufactured and designed in Germany. So we make everything by ourselves from the pressure cell to the electronic and the calibration and testing.
Okay, tell me just as an outlook and the last question to you, what's up ahead for this? So you have this is part of your portfolio. Are you expanding this? Can you give us an outlook on Prignitz and
Yeah,
how
we
you're going?
in the last 3 months we also launched an X-Proof sensor with the same technology, and also we can we have in our portfolio a more accurate sensor with 0.25%. So the portfolio of this is we have a very wide range.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Jürgen.
Thank you.
This has been a pleasure having you here. Thank you for your time. I wish you well.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.